The first topic is comparison of different bracing with lateral loads. About the project. Constructing a high building within a small area affect its stability due to various loads like vertical loads, wind loads, seismic loads, etc. In this case, the lateral loads are more dominant over vertical loads. And it can be resisted by resisting system called bracing system. Bracing are of different types: X, cross, inverted V, etc. In this system, we do comparison of different bracing system, and we will find out the most economical and effective bracing system using various analysis with the analyzing softwares. Next topic is horizontal irregularities in building. The discontinuity in the plan of building is called horizontal irregularity. Irregular building may be built for functional or aesthetic appearance. That is, but irregularity in shape affect its stability compared to conventional building. In this study, we analyzed different shapes like L shape and U shape building having 15 stories with a conventional building with the same number of stories. And assessment are done by considering dead loads, live loads, wind loads, etc. Then we determine bending moment, nodal displacement, story drift of the building using ETABS software. Next topic is vertical irregularities in building. Vertical irregularities are characterized by vertical discontinuity in the distribution of mass, stiffness, and in some cases, strength. This vertical irregularities in the building affected by the lateral loads such as wind load, earthquake load, etc. And in this study, we will compare the regular frame with the irregular frame in the various seismic zone. And the software here used is ETABS software. The next topic is comparative study of different type of bracing system by placing at different location. Bracing are best lateral load resisting system. It can be provided in different locations, like outer edge, inner edge, corner, etc. In this project, we compare the bracing in different locations and determine the story drift, story displacement, and story shear. And we also use different bracings like X, inverted V, and single diagonal bracings, etc. The analysis are done using ETABS software. Next topic is effect of lateral loads on building with and without shear wall. Shear wall is the structural system which resists lateral loads like seismic loads and wind loads. In this project, we consider two types of frames: bare frame model, that is without shear wall, and with shear wall. And the various locations of shear wall also compared and determined. And we also determine the story displacement, story shear, etc. And at the end, we will get the optimum location of the shear wall in the building. Here, the analysis is done using ETABS software. Thank you.